are filming.
You're gonna ask me a question?
Where are we?
In Tirana, Albania.
What time is it?
9:20 maybe?
Yeah. And what are we doing?
Going to do our laundry.
Yeah, we've got to do our laundry before our flight tomorrow.
Washed. And it's a half-hour walk away. We're gonna do it in 15.
Oh.
This is a laundry trip from hell. Made it back. Going to put my ring back together. Yeah, please.